All that money that I got, all them bottles that I pop, all that money that I got, all them bottles that I pop, on the shit that I go, on the top, I can flow, all the money on the flow, I can't sweet no more, sweet bitch like cherry pop, blind to the game, I got those eyes, we get light, that's the top, who is looking, I sky, I am great, who are you, here's opinion, I'm the truth, fuck these bitches, what they do, black and white, they gon' move, earlier this is now, I'm the bitch that don't growl, who is up the crowd? Wow.
I'ma shoot your ass, shoot you and my family, no reason. Shoot you and your family, y'all keep fucking telling me. I don't play no games. Bring your girl rubber, shoot your ass, she can ride the train.
Killing shit, shoot you down, you on the ground. You see God, you going to the light, but I'm looking bright. That's probably why niggas going into the light.
Bleeding out, you bleeding out. No help, you suffering out. I don't play, you don't play. I the one. Game match, rematch, bitch.
Go, top, chopper, block, kill, stop. You niggas on that trap, all I do is cop. Your bitch cropping that picture, don't give a fuck about you niggas. Who the fuck pulling them triggers, nigga?
Sucker niggas, y'all keep fucking playing. I don't play no games. Shoot you and your mans. I don't play no games. Y'all keep fucking playing. One shot, rematch, shoot your ass. Now, nigga.
Shoot the ball, nigga. Now these niggas call me Molly Mall, nigga. I don't give a fuck about you or your family. She swallow my kids, make a family.
I only shoot to kill. I only shoot to kill. Shoot your ass one time, now you dead for real. I don't be playing. Take off the trash bag. Your arms and legs gon' be in this shit. Where is that?
Your head gone, cause I shot it off with my chopper. I'm off that Molly Wall. Don't give a fuck. I be going harder, like Viagra, bitch. I fuck your daughter.
Tell him. Tell him.
What?
Tell him.
What?
Tell him.
Okay.
Tell him.
What?
Tell him.
What?
Tell him. Tell him.
Okay. Riding on that 50, call that benefit. All these niggas talking, who they talking through?
What?
You a fucking ghost, so I look through. Well, probably cause you dead, so I look through.
I'ma blindfold your boys, they ain't gonna know where you at. Put you in my basement, then pull out the strap. One shot to your brain, it's over, man. Game over, you dead, man.
You a chicken bone, you scared of shit. I don't give a fuck, I didn't prepare it like dinner. Who the winner? It's me and my mans, nigga. We some winners, y'all some losers. Don't give a fuck who the chooser. Don't them luck. Okay, well, too bad for you. I don't care, you're out of luck. Mighty 40 clover. Now these call me Hover. Don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm driving in a Rover.
Tell them niggas what we do. Tell them niggas how we do it. Tell them niggas what we do. Tell them niggas how we do it. How we do it. How we do it. Tell them niggas how we do it. Tell them niggas what we do. Tell them niggas how we do it.
All I do is flex. Yo, bitch, coming up best. I fucked her till she had no rest. I don't give a fuck, rest this shit. Okay, you better sleep it off. I pay it, no cost. Who gon' lose their fucking life tonight? That ain't right, nigga.